Hello, welcome to Design Basics. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a female thread, as well as showing you another option for making threads for the male portion as well. So we're just going to move this over here, and you can see I already have a bit of a model designed. We're going to go into the sketch, and we're going to actually create the internal diameter. So if we refer to the information we had last time, we're going to look at the red information, and we're going to change this 0.75 to essentially be 0.5460 plus 0.5270 divided by 2. Now that that's created, you can close that, and now you can see that that's the minor diameter of this piece. Next, I did a chamfer, just a simple 1/16 chamfer, and that's just a typical thing that is done for internal threads like this. Don't have to do that, but it is highly suggested. And then we're going to go to the sketch that's detailing the thread. So here you can see I have a couple pieces of information very similar to last time. Essentially, we have the 60 degrees for the thread. We have the 1/11 pitch from crown to crown. We have the pitch over 4 for the tooth height. And then we have the two diameters, one that we already created, which is in line, and then the 0.625, which is the major diameter for this piece. So with those pieces put together, we can now do the coil feature in a different way. So if we select this feature here, and then we choose the axis to be the one that's in the sketch, we go to coil size, we change the pitch to 1/11, and we have the height to 2. And I'm just, for this example, I want it to go past because I want to show you what it'll look like. We're going to actually change it to a cut feature. And after we do this, you're going to see that your thread essentially looks like this. So now you have a female thread done in the same stylization as we did in the last video. I'm going to go over to the male thread now and show you a different way of doing the male thread so you have a little bit more flexibility, and that will be everything we need to cover. So here you can see the same thread we did last week, except we don't have the thread made. I did some changes. This is the maximum outside diameter of the piece. So this is flush, and then this is the minor diameter of this component. So when we do the coil feature, we choose this profile. We're going to choose the axis. The biggest difference is the last time I used this profile here. Now I created using this profile. We're going to do a cut feature. We're going to do a pitch of 1/11 and 2 1/8 as it goes past the whole piece. We're going to click OK. So now you can see when you do it this way, it actually cuts through the chamfer, so you could actually print it with a chamfer on it. But let's say I want to change that chamfer. If I go to edit feature here and change this to be 1/16, it changes it, but it also gets adapted to the cutout that you did for that portion for the thread. So this way you have a little bit more flexibility as compared to the other way, which was the creating the material. This is how I actually would recommend making a thread. However, the other way at least lets you see how you can create it with the add material versus cut material. So that is the two different ways that I would personally make threads. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Otherwise, this is Tyler with 3D Printer Sword, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.